Hey guys, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy, and today I'm doing an unboxing haul video of what I bought during the warehouse sale, Happy Planners warehouse sale. I haven't looked at anything. All I did was open this, and now I'm going to take everything out and we will look at it all together. You know what? I was going to tell you how much I paid for everything because it was just such an amazing sale. But I guess I could do that real quick. Hold on, let me go grab the sheet. Okay, I was going to print it out, but the receipt's all kind of weird because I used some reward points on this stuff, so it wasn't going to show like the accurate amounts that the sale was for. But anyway, all of this was $37, all of it. So I got the Playful Type, and this one has a whole bunch of really cute fonts in them. This one, I believe it was on sale for like $4. And I do already have one of these, but sometimes you run out of letters, you know, the ones that you use the most. And so I like to have extra of the font ones. All right, what is this? Fun Fleurs. So, oh, those are cute. Nice, very cute. Oh, maybe I'll do a plan with me with this one at the end of this video. Oh, I like these. Thoughts, important, cute. There was a gratitude. Oh, I like these too. Get it done. Oh, what fun. All right, these are cute. And this one I did not have before. Now it's got gratitude, love this, today, thoughts. Now it's got some cute boxes and little accents. Oh, these are nice, little accents. Aw, I like that one. Okay. Ooh, and this one I got because it's probably not going to be very ooh. Ooh, not ew. This one I got because this is the fitness planner that I'm using right now, and I wanted to have something. I wanted to buy the book. I typically don't try to buy the book on purpose of whatever planner I'm using, even though I'm going to start doing that now, because a lot of the stickers are sized to fit in these specific, you know, areas of that planner. And like this, that's the long boxes of that planner. So this is good. I'll be able to use these in that one. And I need to do a plan with me on that one too. So maybe I'll use this book. I just love the colors in it. I love this like kind of oceany kind of theme. So that one is Calm Life. And this one is Canyon Modern. And this one's got some cute colors too. And that's cute. You can see that real quick. Jot it down, big plans. These are cute. I wonder if those fit in the mini planner. And let me tell y'all, I know in my last video I told you I closed my other shop. Today's like the first Monday that other shop is closed, and I'm feeling really good about it because I almost feel like my day is my own now. Because, you know, before my day was kind of dictated by my orders. You know, I might have had a plan for a Monday, but then orders would come in and there goes my plan. So anyway, I'm feeling really good about it, and I'm excited to be making a lot more content for you guys. So this one was just a filler paper that I thought was nice and simple. Sometimes you just need a bullet list of things that you want to get done, and I thought this was nice and neutral, and yeah, I can't wait to use that one. You can even use this one in a journal. Ooh, okay, and I got these, which, so $37 I got these two sets, and 1, 2, 3, 4 books and some filler paper. So that warehouse sale, I'm going to remember about it every year because last year I also got a lot of good stuff. So that is definitely one Happy Planner sale that is worth checking out and always purchasing. Oh, this is cute. Your future looks bright and full of stickers. Oh, also known as full of stickers. That's funny. How cute. And I didn't get these when they were full price because I thought they were kind of expensive. But once they were like, you know, really cheap. And I think this is where my, oh no. Is that something on there? Oh no, it's something inside. I thought it was like a stain. I don't know if you can see that little dot. But it goes away when you pull away whatever's in there. Let's see what's in there. That's a cute box. Anybody else have trouble throwing away boxes? I really think about it. I'm just like, that's a really good box. They're good for organizing stuff. Oh, look at this. This one's pretty nice. It's a little planner bag. And I'm going to go on my trip. Oh, look, it's got pockets. And here's Washi. What was making that black line in there? What is that? It is something on the inside. That's weird. Oh, my zipper. Let's see. There. There's something in here. Aw. You know what? It's a hole. That's bizarre. I guess I'll let Happy Planner know. I don't know what I'll let Happy Planner know, and I'll let you know how they handle it, because I'm not sure if they need me to send this back. I mean, it's not that big a deal, but yeah, it kind of looks, I don't know. We'll see. All right, so here's the washi that came with it. That's cute. Ooh, I like that blue. It's pretty blue. And this says, "You are magic, you are magic, you are magic." Those are cute. And then we've got, "I love stickers." Heck yes. Okay, it's already open on one side. All right. I kind of like these. "You rock, stay kind." Heck yes. And you write something in your planner. Oh, and look at the happy mushrooms. They're like throwing confetti. That's cute. Pretty. These are cute. Happy faces. Oh my goodness. Little kitty cats. The plants are nice. "Stay kind." This should say, "Remember your bags," because, oh my God, I am so bad about that. You know what? I need to make a sticker, because we always go shopping on Saturdays. We go shopping on the same day, and we forget our bags every single time. It's so annoying. We get so mad at ourselves. Okay, I just want all the stickers. These are fun. I love stickers. Aw, I do love stickers. Add a little spice. Bomb diggity. It's all good. This was a fun one. Don't forget to stretch. Cute. Very cute. "Feed me and tell me I'm pretty." Right? Isn't that what we all want? Yes. Nice. Actually, feed me and make sure it doesn't make me gain weight. That's what I want. I guess I should hope. Let me bring it down a little bit. So, oops, sorry about my hand in there. So you guys can see a little better. This is cute. That'll make some really like happy spreads. Well, I am so glad that I went ahead and ordered this one. I wasn't sure. Like when it came out, you know, I was just like, that's too expensive. I don't need a bag. And that's why I don't care so much about that bag, but I've got like 3 of them and I've never used them because my planners always stay here. But I'm going to be, these are really nice. I'm going to be going on a cruise, and I do want to take my planner, mainly my memory planner, and my, I had bought a, what's that called? A trip planner. And so I want to do that. Ooh, I like the tacos. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Like, aw, it's feeling cute. These are, it's stars and lightning bolts. Huh, that would be fun. I wonder what I could do with those. Okay, so that was that one. And then we've got this one. "Say hello to brighter days." And this is the slicer. Ooh, make today fun. This is also a very nice box. Sorry about the tapping. I hate when people do the whole nail tap thing. Every day is special. Oh, that's right. This one's got, I don't need to save that paper. This one's got this weird box. So it's a box inside of a box. But that is a nice box. I want to save it for something. That's so cute. Okay, so this one, oh, so this one is the travel one. Okay, I'm doing this wrong, I know. There we go. And then this flips open, and it stays open like that. Right? Yeah, that way it stands up by itself. Okay, so push those out the way. Whoa. This is Functional Brights. This little thing also works for these without tearing it all up. Okay. Write it down, all the things. These are cute. Little folders. That's what it looks like to me, like a little folder. Top tasks. Reminder, important, jot it down. Today, this week. Little icons. More icons. Okay. That's like a lot of sticker books for $37. Holy cow. All right. And this one is called Let's Celebrate. Aw. Yay, hooray. I love you. Birthday. Those are cute. You know what's cute with these two you can do? we don't have that. I mean, you might have a lot of birthdays, but another way to use these is to cut right there off that birthday and then put a little number sticker on here and use it to date your week or your month. That'd be cute. Like if it's your birthday month or your birthday week, whatever you do. Cheers with a margarita. Can never have enough margarita stickers, in my opinion. What's your drink of choice? I really like margaritas. These are fun. Okay, so that's just like kind of just decoration stickers there. That one was Let's Celebrate. This one and this one. So one thing that Julie at Plans in the Making did, she made a little micro with all of the special days in it, which I thought was such a cute idea. I'm gonna have to go back and rewatch her video again, because this one is supposed to be like all of the not all of them, but some of the national days, like Hot Sauce Day. But when is it? They should have put the date. And I'm pretty sure she went through and looked them up and then wrote the date next to each one of these. I'm pretty sure that's what she did. I kind of remember that. And that's just so smart. Spaghetti Day, Croissant Day, Cream Puff Day, Peanut Butter Day, Compliment Day, Hugging Day. So these are all just different days. Tortilla Chip Day. I didn't know there was a Tortilla Chip Day. Polar Bear Day. So yeah, that's why I got this one. I thought it was just such a cute idea. Sometimes these types of stickers or these special days really give you an idea or inspiration on how to decorate your planner that week or that month. If you like waffles and you know that waffle day is coming up, you can create a spread, all about waffles. Coconuts. A little bit of kitty. I think I'd add some black in her eyeballs because her eyes look kind of weird. World Kindness Day. These are cute. So all of these are different days. And then these are just fun stickers. Sip, sip, hooray. These are cute. There's a lot of cute ones in here. Happiness is chips and guacamole. Or chips and melted cheese. That's yummy too. All right. Let's see. Oh, those are pretty. See that? That's cute. Oh, lots of drinks, sweets. Pretty flowers, those are cute. Rainbows, some washi strips, very cute. And these are just a bunch of quotes. Some boxes. More boxes. Aw, those are sweet. Very cute. All right. And this is icons galore. Let's see. What is up with all these icons and what we've got here? All right, so these are breakfast ones. French toast with blueberries. Oh, burrito. I've never seen a burrito sticker. And what is this one? I guess like a grilled cheese that somebody burnt a little bit. These are cute. I don't eat a whole lot of burritos. But I guess you could use it like for a wrap, right? I do eat some wraps. Yeah, it's like a wrap. Cute. Ice cream, spaghetti, muffins, croissants. I don't know what this is. A dumpling, maybe? Some sushi, and ice cream. Very cute. That's that one. Man, I'm going to have to count. I'm going to see how many stickers I got. I mean, how many sticker books. Because I am like, wow. All right, so we've got some nice quotes. Well, that's neat. It's like a tan color. You can, 100%. You are enough. You are so lovely. You are rad. All right. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is that all of them? I got 11 sticker books and some filler paper and some really nice boxes for $37. So I think I did pretty darn good. Now I just have to make a point to use them all. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video, and hopefully you guys got some stuff too during the warehouse sale. Let me know if you did, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.